Today I will explain you soil erosion and soil conservation. This is the last topic of this chapter. Afterwards I will take new chapter. What is soil erosion? In simply term, removal of topsoil by various agents such as wind and water and others. Others means rock particles. It is known as soil erosion. I told you already that soil erosion and soil deposition is a simultaneous process. But there is to worry when the balance between these two is various. It means that when soil eroded more and deposit less, soil erosion is continuous by wind and water, and it does not deposit at a particular place, then it is very harmful for agriculture, because topsoil is most important soil. I told you already. Whatever agriculture activities are performed, these are performed on topsoil. So if the ratio between ratio of topsoil will less, then it will very harmful for agriculture. So removal of topsoil by various agents such as wind, water and other agents such as rock particles and breaking down of rocks is known as soil erosion. Types of soil erosion: sheet erosion, gully erosion, badland or ravine. I tell you that these two types of is of soil erosion, and this is a term. Badland or ravine, it is not a type of soil erosion. It is a term. It can be asked many times in exam that what is badland or ravine. So firstly, I will tell you about sheet erosion. When the topsoil is renewed by water like a sheet, like a layer of onion. Have you seen the onion? It is in various layers. So when the topsoil is vanished by running water, fast flowing running water, and a sheet of topsoil is eroded by running water, is known as sheet erosion. And when the sheet of topsoil is eroded, then the remaining soil is less fertile and farmer will not get proper agriculture yield. Gully erosion, it is very important. Please listen carefully. Gully erosion means when fast running water cut through clay soil and form deep narrow channel like this. Means when fast flowing water running through and cut the clay soil, this is the fast flowing water which cut and form this deep narrow channel. This is known as gullies. This is known as gully, and this type of erosion is gully erosion. This type of erosion is mostly seen in the lower Himalaya, where the river water cut clay soil and form deep narrow channel. Badland or ravine, the land which is left uncultivated after soil erosion is known as badland. Simply you can say the land which is unfit for cultivation. The land which is unfit for cultivation is known as a badland. And in the Chambal basin, it is commonly known as ravine. Ravine is also badland, but it is a term. It is known in Chambal basin. Means that the Chambal nearby, when the land is eroded, then this land is left uncultivable land. This is known as ravine in Chambal area. So badland and ravine are same, but ravine is generally known in Chambal basin. Again I am telling, the land which is unfit for cultivation is known as badland, and ravine is known in Chambal basin. It is also the badland. So in this lecture I told you about soil erosion and type of soil erosion. Removal of topsoil by various agents such as wind, water and other agents like rock particles is known as soil erosion. Soil erosion, if soil erosion and soil deposition is in balance, then there is no problem. But if the soil erosion is more and deposition is less, then there is a problem, because in that condition the topsoil is scattered in various areas. Now, types of soil erosion: sheet erosion and gully erosion. At badland, sheet erosion means the topsoil, when the sheet of topsoil is eroded by running water like a layer, it is known as sheet erosion. Gully erosion means clay soil cut when the fast flowing water cut the clay soil and form deep narrow channel. It is known as gully erosion. Badland, the land which is not fit for cultivation, is badland, and it is commonly known ravine in Chambal area. So this is enough in this lecture, soil erosion, types of soil erosion. In next topic I will explain you causes of soil erosion, and finally the last topic, soil conservation, how topsoil can be conserved by various methods. Thank you for joining me.